Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to share an unbelievable GPT. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. You can see on the screen, this is called Math GPT. Not only math, you can click on Physics GPT, Accounting and Chemistry. So it is really advanced AI platform which has some amazing feature. So let's explore. So I'm going to write a problem here of mathematics, and you can see here there is an option which is called create video. It's amazing. So you can just solve a problem and AI will create the explanation video as well. You can also create study guide, you can also create practice test, and you can also create a graph. So I just wrote one math problem here. Let's see how it works. Just click here. You can see it starts solving and it is amazingly solved, and find out the dimensions which was required. Now you can create practice questions as well. You just click here. The similar question for practice has been generated and you can solve it and press check and check steps also. The best part of it, you can create a video on this explanation. So let me create a video. So you can see here a video has been generated. This is really wow. Let me play the video.
Welcome to this math lesson, where we'll solve a geometry word problem about a rectangular garden with a width. The garden is surrounded by a path of uniform width.
So you can see here, immediately an explanation video has been generated. Similarly, you can also create a study guide. So let me give a topic. Let's say vectors in mathematics. Just click here. So you can see a study guide has been generated. You can make it more specific according to the subject, according to the curriculum. For example, you can write down that for which year level you need and which curriculum you are following. You can create graphs as well. So I wrote create a velocity time graph. So it has been generated with random numbers. You can also write a specific number to generate the graph. You can also create flashcards. Not only mathematics, you can use the same GPT for different subjects. So you can see here, you can use this for physics, for accounting and for chemistry. So these four options are available. I tried all of them and found an amazing result. I don't want to make this video very long, so I don't want to do for physics, accounting and chemistry, but you can try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.